Hey y'all, welcome back to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to go over how to go into settings and go into the Box Tricks apps and clear your cache, clear your data, and do a force stop. Alright, so I am working on a T95Z Android box. From here, or any other device, you want to go into your settings, select your settings, then you'll need to find your apps. Once you find your apps, scroll down all the way till you find the Box Tricks apps. Select it. Now you can do a force stop if you are having some issues with the application. You can come in here and troubleshoot. Go ahead and you can select a force stop. You can also come in here and clear cache. Now, if you're going to clear data, you're going to need your login information and your password. That information is in the email that we send out once you subscribe to the app. So if you select clear data, it's going to ask you to go ahead and press OK. So from here, if you were to open up the app, it's going to ask you to put in your username and password. Once you fill in your username and password, go ahead and log in. And you want to make sure that you update your EPG. And then you want to go in to Live TV just to make sure that everything is working properly. So this is basically it for this video. Short and sweet, to the point. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. And also don't forget to like us. Thank you guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.